Hello friend, how are you today? I believe you're great. So let's talk about number basis today. We are going to be solving questions on number basis, and so come with me. But before I continue, if you have not subscribed to our channel, do well to do that right now. Go to the subscribe button and hit the subscribe button now. That is your own little way of supporting us, and we do appreciate it a great deal. Alright, and if you have subscribed, do well to hit the notification bell so that you can be informed when we post a new content. And if you have done that, do well to share this video with your friends and your colleagues. Thank you very much. So come with me. Now we have these questions. The first question here says, if 1, 2, 3 base 1 equals 83 base 10. Obtain an equation in y s. Find the value of y. So we are asked to obtain an equation, then find the value of y. So what you want to do is this number is already in base 10, so you have to convert this to base 10 so that both of them will be in base 10, and then you can convert it to a quadratic equation, and then you can find the value of y. So come with me. So the solution, you have 1, 2, 3 y equals 83 base 10. Anytime you are converting from a value to base 10, you multiply each of the numbers in that value, each of the number multiplied by the base you are about to change to base 10. So this is base y, so we multiply everything here by y. But before that, you have 0, 1, 2. So you do 1 times y plus 2 times y plus 3 times y, 0, 1, 2. All equals, I don't need to convert this because it's already in base 10, so I'll just write it in 3. So now I have y squared plus 2y plus 3 times 1. Why is it 3 times 1? Because any value raised by 0 is 1. All equals 83. So I have y squared plus 2y plus 3 equals 83. So this is going to lead me to a quadratic equation. I'll move this in, and it becomes negative. So I have y squared plus 2y plus 3 minus 83 equals 0. Y squared plus 2y minus 80 equals 0. So this is so obtain an equation. This is the equation. Now to continue from here, we have to factorize this. According to, and then after we factorize, we now find the value of y. How do we factorize? Multiply this and this, we have minus 80 y squared. If you have not seen my video on factorization, you can just check our channel. You will see the video of factorization. It has been simplified for you. Alright, so now, so you look for the factors of minus 80y squared, the sum of factors. Factors are two values that multiply each other to give a number. So I want to look for two values that will multiply together that will give me minus 80. And when I add the number, which is sum, when I sum it together, it will give me plus 2. So what will that number be? It should be 10 and 8. If I multiply 10 and 8, I'll get 80. But is it going to be plus 10 or minus 10 or plus 8 or minus 8? Because we have plus 2y here, so it has to be plus 10 and minus 8. So that is plus 10 and minus 8. Because if I multiply these two, I will have minus 80. But if I add it, I will have plus 2. And this is plus 2y. So I'm going to rewrite that as y squared plus 2y minus 80 equals 0. Y squared plus 10y minus 8y minus 8 equals 0. What is common to this side? Y into y plus 10. What is common here? 8 is common. Minus 8 into y plus 10. Whenever you are factorizing, the value in this bracket has to be the same with the value in this bracket. And before you proceed, what is minus 8 times y is minus 8y. Minus 8 times plus 10 minus times plus is minus 8 times 10 is 8. So you have y minus 8 and y plus 10 all equal to 0. Alright, so y minus 8 equals to 0 or y plus 10 equals 0. If this moves out, y will become plus 8 or y becomes minus 10. So it cannot be a negative value, so our y is equals to plus 8. So the answer to the question, y is 8. Second question. The second question says, if 124 base n equals to 232 base 5, find n. So this question is a little bit different from the first question because this time around you have this in n unknown base which we are asked to find, and this is base 5. So for us to answer this, we have to convert both to base 10. Anytime you are converting from a base to base 10, you have to multiply each of these values by the base, each of these values by the base. So let's try to convert most of them to base 10. So this will be 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. So this will be 1 times n plus 2 times n plus 4 times n, 0, 1, 2. All equal to 2 times 5 plus 3 times 5 plus 2 times 5, 0, 1, 2. So this is going to be n squared plus 2 times n raised to power 1 will be 2n plus n raised to power 0 is 1, 4 times 1 is 4, all equals to 2 times 5 raised to power 2 is 25, okay, plus 3 times 5 plus 2 times 1 because 5 raised to power 0 is 1, 2 times 1. So we have n squared plus 2n plus 4 equals 50 plus 15 plus 2. N squared plus 2n plus 4 equals 65, 67. So this 67 moves in, so we can have an equation. N squared plus 2n plus 4 minus 67 equals 0. When it crosses in, the sign changes to minus. Alright, so the next thing we want to do, we have n squared plus 2n minus 63 equals 0. So minus 63 n squared. So we want to find two values that will multiply together that will give us 63. 7 times 9, 7 times 9. Alright, because 7 times 10 is 70. If you minus 7 from that 63, so 7 times 9. So we need 7 and 9. But because we have positive 2, that's going to be plus 9 and minus 7. Plus 9 and minus 7. So what are the factors of minus 63 squared? The sum of factors. It is going to be plus 9 and minus 7 here. If you multiply it to give you minus 63, if you add it to give you plus 2n, and we have 2n, so we are good to go. So you have n squared plus 2n minus 63 equals 0. You rewrite this as n squared plus 9n minus 7n minus 63 equals 0. What is common? N into n plus 9 minus 7 into n plus 9. Okay? So you have n minus 7 and n plus 9 all equals 0. N minus 7 equals 0, or n plus 9 equals 0. N will be equals to plus 7, or n equals to minus 9. So our n cannot be a negative value, the answer is n equals plus 7. The third example says, if 23 base x plus 101 base x equals to 130 base x, Find x. Convert everything to base 10. So this will be 2 times x plus 3 times x, 0, 1, plus 1 times x plus 0 times x plus 1 times x, 0, 1, 2, all equal to 1 times x plus 3 times x plus 0 times x, 0, 1, 2. So if we solve this, this becomes 2x plus 3, because x raised to power 0 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. This plus x squared plus 0 times x raised to power 1 is 0. Then plus 1 times 1 plus x raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Alright? Equal to, this is going to be x squared. Alright? This times this is plus 3x plus 0. So if you open the bracket, you have 2x plus 3 plus x squared plus 1 equals to x squared plus 3x. Then we collect the like terms. If you collect the like terms, you have x squared on this side, and on this side it cancels out each other, because if this x squared crosses here, it becomes minus x squared minus x squared is 0. So that is out. So let's collect the like terms. All the guys with x will come to the same side. All the guys without x will come to the same side. So let this 2x go meet the 3x. Okay, and yeah, so you have 3 and 1 left. So 3 plus 1 equals to 3x minus 2x. So our x, 3x minus 2x is x. X is equal to 4. That is the answer. Given that 110 base x equals to 40 base 5. Find x. So pause this video and try to answer this question. Welcome back. I believe you have done that. So let's check it out. You convert both to base 10. That will be 0, 1, 2, right? 0, 1. So this will be 1 times x plus 1 times x plus 0 times x, 0, 1, 2, equal to 4 times 5 plus 0 times 5, 0, 1. So this becomes x squared plus x plus 0 equal to 20 plus 0. So you have x squared plus x equal 20. So this is going to come into form an equation, x squared plus x minus 20 equals 0. If you multiply this minus 20x squared, so what are the factors of minus 20x? What are two values? When you multiply gives you minus 20, when you add gives you 1x. The answer is 5 and 4, plus 5 minus 4. So you have x squared plus x minus 20, x squared plus 5x minus 4x minus 20. What is common here? X into x plus 5 minus 4 into x plus 5. Before you proceed, confirm. Minus x times 4 is minus 4x. Minus times plus is minus 4 times 5 is 20. So it's correct. X minus 4, x plus 5, all equals 0. Equals 0. So you have x minus 4 equals 0, or x plus 5 equals 0. So our answer when this comes out, x is going to be 4, or x equal minus 5. X cannot be a negative value, so our x is equal to plus 4. And with that, we have come to the end of this class on number basis. If you have not subscribed, I believe you are now convinced, do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when we drop new content. And do well to comment on this video, like it, and share with your friend. Thank you very much. My name is Coach Paul. See you in the next class. Bye for now.